Well, here we are up here at the land, just above the property where we're going to be building a road. This is day one of this project. I've taken a month off from work and I've rented this big excavator here. And I've got to build a half-mile long road down to this 5-acre parcel of mining claim. Side heeling and switchbacking down this hill right into that bottom. So there's going to be 5 switchbacks on this route. And I did get it permitted through the Forest Service. This is crossing National Forest land. Now here where I have the camp set up, we'll look at camp in a minute. That's actually a private piece of land, a piece of property that I used to own. Sold it. But I have an easement through here. And then there's still this 5-acre parcel that I still have. And so this project this month to get this road built and hopefully, if I have time, assemble a cabin. So I've got a 14-foot by 18-foot cabin. That's a framed cabin, it's not log. But I built that this past winter and I made it in such a way I could disassemble the cabin and transport it on a flatbed trailer. Now, where are we located? So we're between Helena and Butte, Montana, and we're about 10 miles off the paved road here. And this machine had to come up a rough mountain road. The transport truck that brought it could only get it to within about 7 or 8 miles of here. So this had to be driven slowly up this road today. So a good buddy of mine, Warren, did that for me. Thank you, Warren. While I drove the truck with all the camping gear, because I'm going to camp here for a full month and hopefully, like I say, build this road and build this cabin in this month. So let's do a quick tour of the camp, and then I'm going to get a little bit of drone footage, and then we'll get started on the road building. So this is day one. Just got camp set up here for the most part. Got the old 2nd generation Dodge here. Thing's a workhorse. Diesel. I think it's a 2001 manual transmission. It's like a mountain goat. Okay, so here's our camp. Since I'm going to be here for a month, I decided to bring the sheep wagon camper and also get this wall tent. So this is kind of like the cook shack, shower tent. So you can see I've got a really rough and dirty kitchen area here. The food's going to be locked up in the pickup truck because we are in bear country. So pretty basic tools, simple table, a couple extra chairs. I'm going to hook up a small solar power charger, very primitive solar power charger setup, just to run these small low voltage appliances. If I need to run anything bigger, I do have a generator, but I really don't need that, at least until the cabin build starts. I may need it then. So I just decided to put this shower tent right inside here so I don't have to worry about the wind blowing it away. I can change, do whatever I need to do. So that's pretty much it for the wall tent. And here's the sheep wagon. Probably seen that before, but I'll be sleeping in there and cooking in here. So I'll get a little bit of drone footage and then I'll go to work. See how long it's going to take. So this is starting day one right now. Okay, well, today is the second day, the first full day on the road project. So I made decent progress yesterday. I only worked about 2.5 or 3 hours. Kind of getting used to the machine. I've run an excavator a few times, and I built a road similar to this road once a long time ago. But this machine's a little bit different. It does have a blade on it, which is pretty nice. You can't use it very well to stabilize the machine. It's not designed for that. But it does help smooth the dirt and does a pretty good job pushing dirt. So this first leg here, there's no trees, which is kind of nice because it's still in a little bit of a learning curve with the machine. I haven't got to the part that's going to have a lot of trees to deal with. So here's what we've got so far. Get to work. See how far we get here the second day. So here at camp, had a good day today. Day number 2, got a lot done. Still a lot more work to do though, but it's going pretty well. It's about 8 o'clock at night here. Be going to bed soon, but just had a thunderstorm come through and a little bit of rain. Now all the bugs are gone and it's nice and cool. Got really hot yesterday, but quite a bit cooler now. It feels good out here. Mosquitoes were really bad today. Having the camper and the wall tent turned out to be a good call. The wall tent was kind of a last minute idea, and I'm really glad I did that now. I really needed that space to be up here as long as I'm going to be here. It's going to be really handy having that space. Hopefully I can get to the second switchback tomorrow. Get through the second switchback. I actually made it to the second switchback today and about halfway down that line. So pretty good progress, but it's getting a lot slower now. I'm in that timber. So yeah, hit it again tomorrow and be very careful. A lot could go wrong with that big machine, big trees, a lot of deadfall in the timber. Very thick in there. But the machine's doing great. It's a little bit weak on the drive for some reason, just driving on the tracks. Even when you're not pushing anything, it seems like it struggles. But other than that, it's a good machine. Nice having AC in that machine, that's for sure. Okay, see you tomorrow.